Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in the previous videos we discussed about alligation and mixture, and now in today's lecture let us solve some more problems on alligation and mixture. See the third problem. The cost of type 1 rice is 15 per kg and type 2 rice is rupees 20 per kg. If both type 1 and type 2 are mixed in the ratio 2:3, then price per kg of the mixed variety of price is. So here they given two types of rice. Type 1 rice is 15 rupees per kg and type 2 is for 20 rupees per kg. And after mixing this type 1 and type 2 rice, then find the price of per kg of the mixed variety. See, to solve this problem we know the basic method, that is cheap quantity is here. Cheap quantity is 15 rupees per kg rice, so that is C equal to, I will take as 15 rupees. So cheap quantity rice cost price is C equal to 15 rupees. Next, dearer quantity rice cost price is given 20 rupees, right? Cheap quantity rice cost price is 15 rupees and dearer quantity rice cost price is 20 rupees is given. Now if we mix these two, then we will get the mean price. That equal to M. But here mean price is not given, right? That is the we have to find. So find the mean price of the mixed variety of price. We know here x equal to, this is let us suppose D, this is C, D minus M, and here y equal to M minus C. So here D is 20 minus M and y equal to M minus 15, because we don't know the M value. But what is given, if both type 1 and type 2 are mixed in the ratio 2:3, it means by rule of alligation we know x by y equal to, x divided by y equal to d minus m by m minus c, that equal to 20 minus m by m minus 15. But it is given already the ratio of type 1 and type 2 errors is given. So that is 2 by 3 equal to 20 minus m by m minus 15. So by solving this we will get 2 into m, 2m, minus 30 equal to 3 into 20, 60, minus 3m. This is equal to 2m plus 3m, this is equal to 60, and bring this side plus 30, that equal to plus 30, which is equal to 90. This implies 5m equal to 90, implies m equal to 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 4 are 10. So 14 rupees is the cost price of the quantity of the mean price, right? Now we found the cost price of the main price, that is 14 rupees. It means if you want to get the cost price of the main price is 15 rupees, you have to mix the type 1 and type 2 rice in the ratio 2:3. It's very clear, right? Now let's see one more problem. 8 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and is then filled with water. This operation is performed 3 more times. The ratio of quantity of wine left in the cask to that of water is given 16:81. right? Then how much wine did the cask hold originally? See, the question in the question what is given, let us suppose there is a cask or drum is given, in that wine is there, right? 8 liters are drawn from this, 8 liters of wine drawn from the cask and filled it with water. So 8 liters of wine is removed from this and added 8 liters of water in this and is filled with water. And this operation, removing 8 liters and adding 8 liters, removing, adding, this is performed 3 times. It means number of operations is 3 times. And the ratio of the wine in the cask to the water, it means ratio of wine and water is given 16:81. So ratio of the quantity of wine left in the cask to that of water is 16:81. How much wine did the cask hold originally? See, let us suppose, let the quantity of wine in the cask may let 8 x liters, right? Let the quantity of the wine is x liters. Now after these 4 operations, x is the total wine, that is the quantity of the wine in the cask. So after removing 8 liters, adding water, removing water, removing, adding, after these 4 operations, the quantity of wine, in the cask, the quantity of the wine in the cask is the formula x into 1 minus y by x whole power n. This is the formula, that is x into 1 minus 8 by x whole power of 4. So this is the after 4 operation the quantity. X is quantity of the wine x in the cask originally, right? Originally the quantity of the wine is x liters. This is after 4 operations, very clear, it is after 4 operations the quantity of the wine. This is x is the original quantity, and this is the after 4 operations the quantity. Now is given that the ratio of the quantity of the wine to the water is given 16:81. It means here this is the, what is this, the wine, and let us suppose water, then the ratio is given x into 1 minus y is here, how many times, 8 liters are there, divided by x, and n value is 4, divided by x equal to 16/81, right? The ratio of the quantity of the wine to that of water is given 16:81. Okay, so wine and this is quantity of the wine is 16:81. Therefore I can write this is x cancel. This implies 1 minus 8 by x whole power 4 equal to 2 by 3 whole power 4. This implies 4 cancel. Now what is this? X minus 8 by x equal to this is 2 by 3. Now solving this, 3x minus 24 equal to 2x. This implies x equal to 24 liters. This is the original quantity of the wine in the cask, right? So in this way this is the part 2, and in one more video we will solve some more tough problem in the alligation mixture. Thank you for watching my videos, and for more videos please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.